Hello everyone, let's make a pineapple pen holder. Take 3 toilet paper roll, cut them. Now take 4 yellow sheets, add double-sided tape, roll it around. Now add eyes, leaves, draw its brows and face. Make 3 more like this. For base, take a circular cardboard, stick a black paper and yellow sheet over it. Now using glue gun, place them all together and it's ready. Thank you for watching. Let's make a unicorn puppet. Take a toilet roll, wrap a pink sheet around it, cut it as shown. Make 4 holes in bigger roll like this and 1 in small. Add hair, horns, ears and eyes. Now take a pink and purple straw and cut them as shown. Take a cardboard piece and yarn, pass a yarn through the holes and straw one by one carefully as shown. Follow the steps and make a puppet legs, add wings and tail. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.